Hey, how's it going, subscribers? So today we're going to be talking about the company Canopy Growth, CGC, and whether it's a buy or sell. So we can see Canopy Growth. We can see a few things about this company right off the bat. First of all, right now the price we're looking at
have more than $100 million. Subscribe to my channel so I can teach you how to make millions.
Let me tell you about my day so far. Coffee in Paris, surfed the Maldives, took a little nap on Mount Kilimanjaro. Oh yeah, and I got digits from this Polish chick in Rio. NBA Finals. And all that was before lunch.
I have more than $100 million. Subscribe to my channel so I can teach you how to make millions.
The price we're looking at is what? It's around $53.45. So this was the price, at least this was the price on the 10th of April, so 3 days ago. 3 days ago, Canopy Growth Corporation was looking at the price of $53.45. It's lower than that right now, so it's even lower. Now, the good news about Canopy Growth Corporation is the analysts. The analysts are expecting they're actually expecting Canopy Growth Corporation to grow from here. They're expecting the price to be more than $53.45. So essentially you can say that the analysts, they think that Canopy Growth Corporation, CGC, is worth more than $53.45. That being said, there's also a lot of negatives. So let's not ignore the negatives about Canopy Growth Corporation. Now, before I speak about the negatives, I just want to bring something up. It seems when I give unbiased reviews about different companies and different stocks, especially when those companies and stocks are in the cannabis field, it seems that people get upset when I point out the negative stuff. I'm just being honest. I'm just bringing up an unbiased review. Now, if all of you just want me to stick with positives and that's it, and completely ignore the negatives and not even mention it, then we can talk about that. Or if you want me to just talk about the negatives of a particular company and that's it, we can talk about that. But in general, what I thought was that all the viewers would want unbiased, the good and the bad, the pros and the cons, not just the pros. So anyways, you guys can let me know what you think about that. Now to get started on the cons, one thing about Canopy Growth Corporation is the PE is looking expensive compared to its competitors. So the PE is looking quite expensive. Now, when we look at the growth forecasts, we're actually not looking. We're not looking at any growth forecasts. So there's no growth forecast with Canopy Growth Corporation. And then also there's no the earnings per share is in the negative range. So this is bad news over here. So hopefully they can turn a profit and enter the positive range. That's what we're hoping for with Canopy Growth Corporation. And look right here, Canopy Growth price of 53 is now below the lower Bollinger Band, indicating a positive signal. So that's one positive signal. We could check out that website, canopygrowth.com. We'll check that out in a second, right guys? So we know Canopy Growth Corporation is a marijuana company. It's based in Canada. The company, through its subsidiaries, Tweed Inc., Bedrock Canada Inc., Tweed Farms, is engaged in the business of producing and selling legal marijuana in the Canadian medical market. It is also focusing on producing and selling marijuana in the recreational market in Canada. Its core brands are Tweed and Bedrocan. Tweed is licensed producer and medical marijuana. Tweed's commercial license covers approximately 168,000 square feet of its Smiths Falls facility and allows Tweed to produce and sell approximately 3,540 kilograms of medical marijuana per year. Tweed's built-out production capacity is over 10 climate-controlled indoor growing rooms. Bedrocan is a medical-grade cannabis. Bedrocan's over 52,000 square feet production facility in Toronto. Toronto's licensed and includes over 30 vegetative and growing rooms and over 3 dispensing rooms. And we can see the brief for the 9 months and the 2018 Canopy Growth revenues increased from $55 million to $132 million. Net loss increased from $8.8 million to $350 million. Revenues reflect revenue increase from $21 million to $98 million. Net revenue increased from 47% to $49.2 million. Higher net loss reflects share-based compensation expense increased from $17.7 million to $108.2 million. This is the expense. Sales and marketing increased from $23.5 million to $101.2 million. This is the expense. Now, when we look at the detailed statistics, the cash to debt level, we're talking about $18,057 million. When we were talking about the market value, we're looking at $18,371 million. When we look at the net cash, we're looking at $314 million. So the net cash equivalent to 2% of the market value. So far, these are all good. The sales forecast, $78 million last 12 months. Forecast sales is $243.5 million. The net profit forecast, this is where things are bad. Minus $523.1 million in the net profit forecast. That's not good. The price of sales, $231.5, and the return on equity is minus 7.8%. That's also not looking good. So we're the price of CGC is so far in the mid-range right now. The volume looking high, and the 2-year price sale range is also on the high side. Now one thing, let's go to their website, guys. So here we are in the Canopy Growth Corporation website. So let's check this out. Look, Canopy Growth Corporation says it right there on it. Now, Canopy Growth advances the world's perception of cannabis by focusing on research, product development, and innovative production capabilities, all presented through brands people trust. So very cool stuff, guys. So you can see here, investors, media, careers, contact, legal. So their website is looking, got a lot of pictures. Looks like any other site, really. Got the products, innovation, brands, access. Let's look at some of their what they're making. Okay, so these are looking like all the brands, and let's see its products, guys. Let's see what kind of products they have. Dried flower. Okay, so they got weed, they got oil, concentrates. So generic stuff. That's interesting. So there you guys got to get a glance of what the website looks like, now we're going to be talking about what my investing strategy would be if I was to invest in CGC. If I was to invest in CGC, I would buy it in these ranges right here. There's a $25 range. You know, the $25, $26, $27 range. So from $25 to $28, that's the range you wanna buy it. 25 to 28, that's a good range. So around $28 essentially, 28 or less. You want to get this CGC around that price, and then you want to sell CGC at these top prices. Look, so right here the top is what, 40? Oh, it's like 50, and right here, so essentially like around 47. That's still a good profit. So you buy it at, let's say 28, and you sell it at 47. That's a good profit. And rinse and repeat. Not sure how many times you can do that, because eventually either this company will go way too down or it'll move up if it succeeds. So that's essentially that's what my investing strategy would be if I was to invest in this company, but I am not invested in this company. So there you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Alright guys, so hit that subscribe button. Go subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Alright, hit that like button. And I'll make sure you guys check out all my other CGC videos. I made a bunch, so check them out. And stay tuned for my future CGC videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.